In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an editor to a Weebly website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to log into your Weebly account. So, head over to Weebly.com. Once there, enter your email and password to sign in. It's pretty straightforward, but if you run into any issues logging in, make sure you double-check your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your dashboard overview. Here's where the magic starts. Look for the big button that says Edit Site and click on it. This will take you into the site editor where you can make all the changes you need. Now that you're in the editor, look towards the top navigation bar. You'll see a series of tabs up there. Click on the one labeled Settings. This is where you can manage various aspects of your website, including adding editors. After clicking on Settings, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a menu appear. From this menu, find and select the option that says Editors. This is the section where you can manage who has access to your site, which is really essential if you're collaborating with others. Now we're ready to add an editor. Look for a button that says Add Editor. You can't miss it, it's usually quite prominent. Go ahead and click on that button. A new window will pop up asking you to enter some details about the editor you want to invite. Specifically, you need to type in the email address of the person you want to add. Make sure you double-check the email to avoid any mistakes, because you want the invitation to go to the right person, right? Once you've entered their email address, it's time to decide what level of access you want to grant them. You'll see some options available. This includes settings like Admin for full control, as well as Editor for more limited permissions. Choose what best fits their role. For example, if they're going to help with significant changes, you might want to give them admin access. However, if their role is more about content management or minor updates, then the editor option might be enough. After you've selected the appropriate privileges, it's time to finalize everything. Look for the button that says Save Editor. When you click this, you'll send the invitation to the email address you specified. They will receive an email prompting them to accept the invitation and join you in editing your website. And that's it. You've successfully added an editor to your Weebly site. It's a straightforward process, but it opens up many collaborative opportunities, whether you're working with a team member or letting a friend help with your website. Thank you for tuning in to today's video on how to add an editor to a Weebly website. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy website building!